gambling capital of the world, which is Las Vegas. And I'm still at the airport, but even though I'm at the airport, there are still slot machines. Right behind me is the sign that marks where the southern strip ends, and it says, "Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada," and it's really famous, and it's a tourist attraction. And right behind me is the Mandalay Bay. I'm at the New York hotel, and I'm at the restaurant in the New York hotel. And the restaurant is called America. And right here is all of like the states of America. And I thought it was just really cool because like they have like the really special parts of like the states, and then they also say which states it is. So right behind me are postcards, and there's more all around the restaurant. And at my feet are some stars, like as in 50 stars on the U.S. flag. This is the Times Square. Brooklyn Bridge. Right behind me is a remaking of the Statue of Liberty. Is a replica of the bell tower in the Basilica of St. Mark. And we're going into, these are gondolas, and they look really fun. The water is also very clear. Las Vegas may not be very family friendly, but there are many family friendly places that we're going to, and we will show you in other parts of this video. I found some cool art, and I thought that this one describes me very much. I'm going to be wild. Yes, she's 2. Gondolier was singing, and I'm really happy today. And if you look up at the sky, it's like a screen, and it looks really cool. Right behind me is the Excalibur hotel. We're at the Tournament of Kings, and right there's a wizard making everybody go crazy. at the Mandalay Bay, and I just ate at Pan Asian, and it's really good. And this is the orange chicken, and it's really good and kind of spicy. But there's also this other thing right there that Harper's eating. It's what are you eating? No idea. It's called No Idea. Egyptian theme, and the company that owns it is MGM, which also owns Excalibur and Mandalay Bay. And I thought it was really cool, so I thought to videotape it because of how cool it is. And they have a lot of Egyptian hieroglyphs, which I thought was cool. So that's why I decided to come. And then today's my last day, so I didn't get to see everything. But if you are here for a few days, like 1 or 2 days, I would really suggest the Michael Jackson one thing. Because if you like Michael Jackson, because it's really cool. There's some really pretty gardens in here, and I suggest that you come to the Bellagio to see the gardens. There's many colors and a lot of teacups. And it's just really pretty. I'm in the gardens of the Bellagio, and behind me is the teacup.
Like we have like
which has a really long chandelier, and I think that the spot of it is really cool because it's themed Alice in Wonderland. There's down the ladder, and there's some seats that look like they're from Alice in Wonderland. This is like from the Tea Party, like this is the Tea Party set from Alice in Wonderland. Chandelier, and it has Alice in Wonderland. And right here is the chandelier. And you're able to touch it. It feels cool. I don't think it's real crystals and stuff. Bye! I'm at Caesar's Palace right now, and I would suggest you children because there are a lot of statues, inappropriate statues that might be a little inappropriate for younger children or just children in general.
Don't throw her in the water!
The Hoover Dam is only about 30 minutes away from Las Vegas, and I think it's really worth the trip. Plus, kids get a coin. This is a great view of the Hoover Dam.
Day for us, we're really excited. On behalf of Bureau Reclamation, thanks for joining us here on the Nevada Wing of the Power Plant. Now, this is the point in the tour where I get to test your knowledge. Cisco, the black diorite underneath the wing figures, and cement came out of Riverside, California. Second largest workforce, 5,055 employees. All right, this is an infrastructure map of the Hoover Dam site. We are right there, inside one of the diversion tunnels into the Nevada Canyon walls.
We're going on a tour right now, and we just saw a 10-minute.
So did I miss any other states? Yep.
Right there, it says Nevada time, and so over there it says Arizona time, and it's a clock. And somewhere in between the dam, there's the boundary between Nevada and Arizona end.